Tignan na naman yan, hindi mo pwede itapon yung... Where? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. No, put it there, Jelana. Ah, okay. Hindi kasi ano na doon, nakalaki. Oh, you got 2 bed? Hey, be nice. Let me see smile. Can I get a smile? Where's your Barbie? Oh, tama-tama pag nandito pala yung yung car. Gilana, once you have your car, hindi dyan. Gilana, where's grandmother? Hindi. Oo, gusto niya ng car. Ayan. Laki kalahati ng bahay. Nako. Kasing tangkad niya rin. So may Oh, mother ni, nandun pala. Yung, yung halaman, oo. How about this? Where you put this one then? This one. Oh, there. Oh, okay. Where you put that one then? Where? Go on the drawing. Ayan, guys. Ito yung sticker. Doon pala. Gilana, you have to put sticker there. There, you can put sticker here.
Oh, yeah, there.
Yeah. You can put sticker like... Yep. Or even here too. Sticker there. Oh. You have not opened your nurse yet. Your chef. You did not open. Oh yeah, you did not open your chef. Mm. Ang sikip na doon. Ang laki nito ni kalahati ng table mo. Saan yung likod? Nakikita yung likod. May display din sa likod. Hindi kasi tignan mo AJ ni slide. Hindi mo siya maidikit. Sa kwarto nyo na